Hi, Elaine here with WTI. I believe that what you see is what you get. So come, let's see this Zinus mattress up close and personal. At first glance, I just love the color of this mattress. The pattern and design is really unique, but then close up, it's so plush, and this cover helps breathe and helps my mattress keep me cool at night. And what I like about this mattress is that I can rotate it and lift it whenever I want all by myself. It's a firm mattress that really helps me. I have sciatica, and at nighttime I need a firm mattress, but something that really conforms to my body and helps my muscles not ache. I really love this Zinus mattress because it fills up my bed frame but doesn't overpower it. So yes, what you see is what you get, but you don't have to go to the store and try every single mattress. Get this Zinus mattress, you'll love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.